Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable safe search filters in Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to like and post your comments after watching the video. Let us get started with you. So, for this, we will need with you on our Android device, go to Chrome. Next, here we're going to click 3 buttons and then we're going to go to Settings. And here we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to Privacy and Confidentiality. And here we scroll down. We find the section, the Security section. And here we find Safe Browsing. Click on it. We have a couple of security options. There's regular or standard protection, which is always the default. There's also the option of no protection at all or advanced protection. If you want to enable maximum protection, then I recommend you choose advanced protection, like I have. Once you choose extended protection, go back out to Settings. The next step is to use Secure DNS. You click on that. And this first feature is usually always activated by default here. You're going to want the best secure browsing experience. Choose a different provider. And then you need to select this section. Clear Browser, Family Filter. And then you go to Settings. And this is where you activate the feature. Always use a secure connection. An already safe search in Chrome will be enabled. So that's the easy way to enable the Chrome Safe Search filter. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and see you later, friends.